next week. Okay, so the first video we learned to construct an array list. We can do it like that. That's fine. Or we can do it with the word capital L list on the left also. That also works. Okay? So we use a constructor. All array lists start at size 0 at first. Okay? That's what the advantage of. We don't waste size. We don't waste memory. We saw how to use the size method, .size empty parentheses, and we added some stuff to it, and then finally we displayed the array list, and we saw there is a toString method in the array list class. That was all in the first video, the first part of the lecture today. What else can we do? What other little methods are there? Okay. Well, notice, of course, as you put things in, they go on the end. So apple, then apple banana cherry. So right now, apple is in index position 0. Banana got put into position 1. And cherry got put in position 2. The opposite of adding something to an array list is getting it out. I guess you could say it's the opposite. It's sort of like the opposite. If I do myStrings.get 1, and let's go ahead and display it. Let's display what that gives us. Out.println myStrings get 1. Well, it goes to position 1 and accesses that string, returns it to the println method call here. So I compile it. I keep forgetting on my imports down. System dot. And so that's how you get things out one at a time. So we could loop through our array list and display the items one at a time on separate lines, for example. We could go for, and by the way, the enhanced for loop works fine with array lists. I'll do it both ways here. Int I is 0, I less than my strings dot size, I plus plus, system out println inside there, my strings dot get I. They look right? We got a parenthesis there. So I'll see apple, banana, cherry on my screen in separate lines. Okay, I could do, what if that was an enhanced for loop? How would you do it? Okay, remember that's got the colon between two things. Okay. On the left side is your type, string maybe S. And on the right side, the name of your structure, the name of your array, name of your matrix, or name of your array list in this case. So it's my strings. And then the out.println is a little bit simpler. It's just out.println S. Cool. And so we've looped through now our first array list. Okay. Works just like you'd think it would, except for it's not dot length, it's dot size parentheses. And you don't use square brackets, you use get if it's a traditional for loop. If it's a enhanced one, then it's even easier. So we've just looped through our first array list.